Hello everyone, welcome to the demo video of Rezolution Engine. In this video, I'll walk you all through the key features and capabilities of Rezolution Engine. So basically, Rezolution Engine is an online platform that connects various participants in the IBC ecosystem to help and resolve their insolvency matters in compliance with applicable rules and regulation. Rezolution Engine offers services to two different set of users. One is for the insolvency professionals, that is the IPs, who are responsible for solving or resolving the cases. They can manage their leads, run resolution processes, verify their claims, schedule meetings, e-votings all at one place using Rezolution Engine. The other is for common users who can log into the platform and start submitting their application. Or they can also be a creditor who wants to file a claim against their corporate debtor. So now on my screen, I have logged in as an IP and you can see a different menu items on my left, starting with leads, assignments, IP assistant, and then followed by general usages such as user guide, profile, get help, and so on. We'll first look at what is a lead module. Lead module basically allows you to manage all your opportunities where you have given your consent, from initial entry of a corporate debtor details to managing the process until the case is admitted. So let's look at one of the leads here. Starting with the first section, lead summary. This section contains all details of the corporate debtor, including information about the applicant and the process as well. You can modify the changes if any arises in between. Then moving on to the next tab we have is management. So this is where you actually manage your lead. It's a 5-step process wherein we can schedule meetings with your stakeholders, creditors, and then you can also store important documents related to leads such as mandates, consent forms, applications, and IP1 form. You can also start collecting the details and store it here for records. Then the actual proceeding begins at NCLT. This tab enables you to update each court hearings as it progresses, and both your applicant and the added case viewers will be notified of these updates. And once a decision has been made on your lead, you can mark the case as admitted, rejected, withdrawn, whatever the NCLT decides. So you can add your stakeholders to monitor the updates and changes in the case by adding them here. You'll also get reminders of the next court hearings and all the required updates. The next tab is the applicant view. So it provides access to review the applicant's perspective. So your applicant will also be able to view all the timeline that happens throughout this entire lead process. That's all about leads. Now moving on to the assignment module. So within the assignment module, you can create and manage the CIRP process, the entire task that goes on for the 180-day process is here. The platform will guide you at each step with guided tours, required resources, everything in handy. You can also schedule your COC meetings, conduct e-votings, manage all your documents, and collaborate with your support team. It also helps to manage all your claims with just few simple steps. So all your assignments will appear on the dashboard, and to get started just click on each of the assignments and you'll be navigated to your assignment. So you see a list of tabs here, starting with the first one, the case summary. So this section provides a brief overview of the assignment, which involves generating a timeline under the CIRP timeline module, and then additionally, they have also introduced a new feature called Custom Timeline, which allows you to add custom dates to each of the milestones that is outlined as per the law. You can manage all your promoters and creditors information under the debtors profile and also maintain process-related information under the CIRP process. Moving on to one of the important features of the Rezolution Engine, which is Case Run. So this module is basically about all the tasks that is involved within the 180-day process of CIRP, which is further broken down and simplified into 10 different phases, which allows you to easily navigate from one phase to another and complete all your tasks. Additionally, we have provided various resources such as templates, guided tours, links, and many more. This means you don't need to switch between different platforms to complete your task. IPs must follow strict rules and reporting requirements, and it can be very tough to keep up with all the challenges and stay compliant on different platforms. That's where we have this resolution engine with all your tasks updated with latest regulations, making your jobs easier and more efficient to run your process. And then the next thing we have is claims. In the resolution engine, you can actually manage all your claims, whether you have received it online or you want to enter it manually, you can do both. This platform supports the entire end-to-end process from claim receipt and collation to verification, and it also allows export of data in the IBBI format. The next thing we have is meetings. So meetings are basically an essential part of the business operation for sharing informations to updates or announcement and ensuring that everyone is aligned. We need a way to connect with everyone. So managing meetings in different places can be challenging. That's where we have this meeting feature that enables you schedule meetings, invite participants, and manage directly from the resolution engine. Another exciting feature, which is votings. This will make the IP's life much easier because it allows the IPs in the supporting to conduct and run e-votings online efficiently and securely. Once you have scheduled your e-voting, participants will receive a voting invitation link which will allow them to log into resolution engine and vote on all the resolution items where they have been invited. Now, then we have participants. So these are basically the members who are related to an assignment. This feature facilitates effective communication and collaboration among various parties involved in the insolvency proceedings, such as financial creditors, operational creditors, director partners, authorized representative. The document. This is basically serves as a centralized document repository, allowing you to store all your related information from one place. You can keep your documents updated from here, and you can also have an easy access to all of them in one place.
Now I'm going to introduce you all to the latest addition to our resolution engine, which is Virtual Data Room, also known as VDR. So VDR is designed to address the document management challenges faced by the insolvency professionals. It allows you to store all your important documents in one secure location, and it is easily accessible. Resolution Engine's VDR allows you to collaborate with your stakeholders in real time by inviting them to access the VDR. It is designed specifically to minimize document chaos, improve collaboration, and keep your documents secure and organized at no extra cost. Let's take a look at how the VDR module works. To get started, just simply click on the VDR tab to begin the setup. The first step is to invite viewers by entering the name and email. If you have received signed NDAs, upload them here for records and click on the Add button. Now click Next to continue. An auto-generated instructions will appear. You can edit them as needed and then click on the Save button to save the instruction. Click on the Next button to proceed. In the third step, set up the access window by adding the start and end dates for access. Click Finish to complete the setup. You now have successfully set up your VDR, and invitations have been sent to all your viewers via email. Now, as the VDR is set up, you can start adding your documents in your VDR as required. Enter all the relevant details, upload your file, and click on the Add button to complete the process. So the next tab is about the Audit tab. Use this to track all your VDR audit activities. And then next is about the permission and settings. So under the permission and settings, you can also edit the access window. and also revoke the access of the specific users if necessary.
That's all about the assignments. Moving to the IP Assistant. So, IP Assistant is an AI tool that helps insolvency professionals with IBC related questions. You can ask the IP Assistant for details from the latest circulars, act, and resolution, and it will provide you answers quickly. So, what you'll have to do is you'll have to choose the category where you need the information on, basically the processes, the different process that we have, and type in your question, and it will generate the answer. That would be all. I hope you all found this video informative and insightful. We are here to help with any questions you have.